guys. Welcome to a week off I've got. Today is Sunday the 5th of November, and I'm going to start the week off by rearranging my bedroom. I've got some stuff on my beds, which I'd moved from other places. Stuff on my chair. I think some stuff I'm going to have to pop outside so I can give myself space to manoeuvre my bed. Well, a couple of hours later, yeah, I know I've dumped a little bit about since. I should have tidied up a bit more, but here goes. I'm at town. I've just came to do some Christmas shopping, but I'm going to walk round the park first, and then I'm going to head for a coffee. And I'm off to Liverpool tomorrow, and then to stay the night at Manchester, around Manchester for a bit on Wednesday. Well, the story of this evening, I have been stressed. I have been backing up my phone on the iCloud, and, well, sum it up, I've got to redo it some other time. Because I had trouble with my house Wi-Fi. When I was so stressed, I nearly cancelled the idea of going to Liverpool tomorrow because I've had no time to do prep. But I thought there's always time on the train. I was tempted to just go to Manchester because I've been there loads of times. So yeah, it was stress which nearly make me change ideas. But of course, when you do it once, you'll just do it many more times, so I'm just trying to push myself. I'm just waiting for the train now to go to Liverpool. This morning I've had a right stress on. I got a new phone about a month ago, and thankfully I realised I had to download my rail card onto this phone before I left, otherwise the stress will have been about 1,000,000 times worse. I haven't even got a major plan of anything to do with Liverpool, so I'm just going to get there and see what's what. Well, I do have one plan now. My hair's sticking up. I'll try and give it a comb on the train. Well, just to give you a little update, I basically nearly ended up getting on the train to Newcastle. Actually, I did go on the train to Newcastle, then thankfully I'd noticed before that, and not just that, I was stood on the wrong platform. I'd missed my own train to Liverpool, so I've now got to wait an hour for another train now. Well, better luck this time. I've arrived now at Liverpool. First stop, surprise, surprise, I'm off to Wetherspoons to get a light lunch. I'll be having dinner tonight, so I'm not going to have anything too big. There it is, St George's Hall there at Lime Street Station. Going to head this way towards Liverpool Wonder. There is the old Radio City. Liverpool One is probably one of the best city centres for shopping in the UK, what I've seen. You have everything from your normal high street stores to brand stores. There's surely some sights around here. There's the Liverpool big wheel. I believe that building there, that funny shaped building, the white one, is the Museum of Liverpool. Oh, and I nearly missed that important building as well. There are the two birds, cormorants, I think for that, I could be wrong. Ah well, my first impressions of Liverpool as a city is, I can imagine it's really nice round here on a hot summer's day. I mean, it's not a bad place at all, what my first impressions are. Here is the River Mersey. New Everton's stadium is up that way somewhere. I'll try and get a bit nearer, but that is Everton's new stadium getting built. About as near as I'm going to get to it. There this is. Might even be a championship stadium, that. Oh well, I'm now at Manchester. Got the evening and tonight in Manchester. Later on I think I'm going to go and watch my sister play football. Here this place where it's flooded with young boys fans. Well, it's day 2 and I'm in Manchester. I'm here at Deansgate, Castlefield by the canal. I believe this area is known to be the older part of the city. And it dates back to something in the Roman times. I'll have to find it out for definite because I'm basically talking about what I've heard somebody else say. How nice is all this looking? I've said this for a while. One day I'd like to live on a canal boat in that city. That thought keeps coming backwards and forwards on me. Well, weather update. Apparently this is what Manchester's like all the time. But it's been good to me the last 6 times I've been. Well, before I end this vlog, I'm going to tell you a story. I got in a stress yesterday. Basically, I went to a dentist and I need to get at some point 3 fill-ins, which would cost about 500 odd quid, or 300 if it was the silver ones. Basically what it was I didn't know I was going to a dentist privately. I thought it was like the NHS, but I messed that up and I didn't go to the dentist for about 4 years on the days I was skids, and never set as a priority. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another dentist to have a look and see what they say. Well anyhow guys, thank you all for watching. Please drop a like, subscribe and goodbye.